What is going on, guys? I'm Wealthy Future. Welcome back to the channel. Today I've got a really exciting one. I've got 3 stocks for you guys to buy right now. Looking at the SPY ETF I have pulled up right now, you can see that we are still currently in a massive uptrend. The 200-day is still uptrending. Zoom in here. You can see we've had a really nice rally kind of after this small pullback we've had recently, trading sideways near the high here. I think the overall market looks really good here. Could be setting up for another leg higher. And looking at the QQQ tech sector here, you can see just as strong. 200 days still turned up here. I think there is still massive potential to run here for the market. So stock number 1 I have pulled up here, Snapchat. What I like about Snapchat, aside from the actual app that I personally use and really enjoy, is the chart here. So this gap that we're looking at here is an earnings gap. Snapchat posted really good earnings. The stock gapped up a lot higher. And since that gap up, we've just been trading sideways a little bit here. Now, you can buy Snapchat right here where it is at $74, $75 and maybe have your stop loss around 71, 72 here at the low here. But personally, what I'm going to be buying is a break of the high of the power earnings gap. So whenever you have a really strong gap up on earnings, that shows that the stock is growing. We've got beautiful support down here, support off of the 200-day, beautiful gap up, and we're consolidating here. The high of this candle here on the earnings gap is 79.18. So what I'm going to be looking to buy is a break of this 79.18 high. All right, stock number 2. Stock number 2 is an interesting one. It is NIO. And what I'm looking at NIO is kind of this cup and handle and also support and break of a downtrend line. So on NIO you can see we had a massive rally, massive sell-off, another great rally, another bad sell-off. So where we are now is we have been finding support here at the 200-day moving average. We're right at this downtrend line and the 200-day moving average. And if you can see it here, we have this cup and handle pattern here forming right at the 200-day moving average. So what I'm looking for on NIO is for it to reclaim this 200-day, get out of this downtrend line, and then head for blue skies higher. So my entry on NIO would be right above the high of this candle that we're currently printing today. The EV sector is still extraordinarily small, and the chart on this actually looks really good. For where it is right now, there's a massive potential for big gains, especially with a good narrative coming up with EVs and possibly the chips being relieved. So the third stock I have for you guys today is SOXL. And what SOXL is, it is a triple leveraged ETF that holds some of the largest semiconductor companies in the world. So the companies that this fund holds are companies like NVIDIA, AMD, Qualcomm, Intel, Taiwan Semiconductors, companies like that. And if we look over at AMD's chart, you can see that it has been extremely strong. We found beautiful support here at the 200-day moving average. Beautiful rally today in the past couple days. So there's this support and room for blue skies ahead. So what that could mean for SOXL is we could break out of this downtrend line that we are currently respecting. We have support here at the 200-day moving average, and it's curled up. Now, this is a triple leveraged fund, so when semiconductors go up, this fund will follow that at 3 times the rate, and it's the same for if they go down in price. So I really like to buy SOXL on a break of this downtrend line. The semiconductors have been so strong that I'm really looking for a follow through and push higher to the $50s and $60 range in SOXL. And a quick bonus I wanted to give you guys is QLD or TQQQ. These are the leveraged tech funds. So the charts on these are really strong. We've rallied off this 200-day double bottom support here. We broke these all-time highs, and we've just rallied ever since. If we see any type of pullback here on QLD or the QQQ or just the NASDAQ, I would really be looking to start building a position here in QLD or TQQQ. And this is TQQQ. It is the triple leverage tech fund. So companies like Apple, Facebook, Google, Amazon, Tesla, Microsoft. And I think aside from these being good short-term trades and plays, I think this is something that is incredible to hold for the long term as well. All right, thank you guys for watching. If you made it to the end, make sure to leave this a like. If you liked any of the stocks that I talked about, be sure to subscribe if you haven't. If you guys notice here, I have no subscribers. So if you guys want to be some of my first subscribers, feel free to go ahead and subscribe. I'm going to be posting daily content, and I have a few other videos here as well if you guys wanted to check those out. Thank you guys for watching. Let me know what stocks you're looking to buy.